bonjour. Viens ici, c'est la maison à pondre. Oh, c'est très joli. Viens, viens. I'm just joking. I'm gonna do it in English. Just wanted to give you a little French because why not? Could be a French day. Let's go check it out. This beautiful place is now for sale. So 925 Greenwood is your typical semi in this neighborhood. Everybody wants to move into the East End. This is your opportunity. Beautifully done, really well kept, fantastically maintained. Lots of really great features here. This beautiful window, probably from 1900. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I could cut that window out and take that home with me. And this living room, dining room it's kind of the best of both worlds. It's not all open concept, so you have separate spaces, but it's not all closed, so it's kind of separate and together. Kind of like a lot of relationships during COVID. So the living room is lovely. Hardwood, real hardwood, so soft and warm, and glorious picture window. Come on, the curb appeal is oozing out of the seams of this place. Loads of natural light. You feel like you're in a cavern. C'est fantastique, mes amis. Fantastique ici. Oh, je m'excuse, un petit peu de vin. Hi! Look at this fabulous space. Space and light. Magnificent. Nobody has a big kitchen anymore. Lots of natural light coming through the windows. Great counter space. This is a real family spot, guys. The backyard! It's right here! So cute! Oh my God! This is the sweetest backyard. A great deck, you can have a barbecue or sit out there and have some dinner. But I have to tell you that the enclosed, fenced-in yard is so full of perennials. It's like the Garden of Eden. That's what it's like. It's so stunning out there. You're gonna love it. Your kids are just gonna be playing around in the dirt. Ah, bonjour. Viens à la chambre de dormir. C'est grande. C'est une grande chambre. Avec la fenêtre aussi très grande. C'est une place d'amour, je pense. At the top of this room, it's amazing. There's a whole shelf and she's built-in lighting. So it's recessed to the back. So you feel like, so interesting. It's fantastic. So for the closetaholics among you, and I know you exist, there are a ton of big closets for a house that was built at the turn of the century. So this is a great second bedroom for any of the kids. All built-ins, really great space. Don't you want to know what's in that drawer? Like, I always want to know what's in that drawer. It's just open just enough to make me curious. Overlooks the backyard, great windows, great light here. Third bedroom. This is the smallest and yet very unique and lots of cupboard space as well for the kid you like the least. Ah, bonjour. Tu reviens à la salle de bain. C'est blanc. C'est beaucoup de lumière. And now I switch into French and tell you it's lots of light and white as well. And now we're at the bottom. Brass tacks, kids, brass tacks. This is an entire length of the house, runs this unfinished basement. You can do whatever you want down here. You dig down a couple of feet, what the heck, you got a whole another 1,000 square feet. Home inspection's great. Heck, you can even have your kids playing down here just as it is. Ah, mes amis, c'est le final. Thank you for coming with me through 925 Greenwood Avenue today. I love this house. You can move right in, move your whole family in, start cooking, make me some dinner. I'd like ratatouille and a glass of big fat red. I need a big fat red glass with my ratatouille. I'm here waiting. Why don't you get in touch with me?